Hey guys, this is Shooks from Patchwork of Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, do please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can get regular updates. I post videos every Mondays and Fridays, and hopefully I'll be able to maintain that schedule. So today I'll be reviewing a mini desktop fan from Funlab. I got this from AliExpress during their last 11/11 sale. Right out of the box, it comes with the mini desktop fan, and also it comes with a USB charging cable and the user manual. So it comes with just these three things within the case. So we have the USB charging cable, you have the fan, and you have the user manual, which fortunately is in English. Based on what we can see here under product specification, it comes with a battery capacity of 4000 milliamperes, a working time of around 5 hours to 20 hours, an input charging current of 5 volt / 1 ampere, and an output of 3 watts, and a battery cycle life, I guess, of greater than 500 times, and a charging time of 5 hours. Basically, this is how to charge the fan. Here are the usage instructions. So when you press the power button once, it goes into low wind mode. A second click puts it into middle wind mode, a third click strong wind mode, and a fourth click sleeping mode. So let's quickly try that out and see how that works. So I click the power button once. Okay, I hope you guys can hear like the intensity of the speed of the fan. So I click it a second time. Okay, it increases. And now a third time. The speed increases as well. And now a fourth time for sleep mode. I don't understand what that means. Okay. Oh, this is sleep mode. I think what I think what this does in sleep mode is it tends to alternate between high and low speeds, which is why it seems to blow really fast and suddenly its speed goes down. So I guess that's what their sleep mode means. Although I don't understand why they would make that way. Now, it comes with an LED light at the back. As you can see here, this is an LED ring around it. When it is green, that is working status. When it is red, that is charging status, and when it is fully charged, it turns blue. So overall, I would say the product looks very, very sturdy. Let me turn this off for a minute. Yeah, that's it. The product looks very, very sturdy. Like, it looks really, really, really well made. At the bottom as well, I think you also have, at the bottom you have specifications as well listed, just as they were on the manual. So as I was saying, it looks well made. It can rotate 360 degrees like this. I'll show you guys. And also this as well can also be rotated however you want it. Now, my problem with this device is the rotation is very stiff. That's this one. To rotate it just 360 or to rotate it like this, vertically, it's a bit stiff. It's not as loose as my other fan, though horizontally it seems to rotate just fine without issues, but like this there seems to be an issue. It's just tight, not really an issue per se. So when it comes to working time, this promises a work time of 5 to 20 hours, I tested this in strong wind mode and it gave me 5 hours, which in my opinion is pretty good. You can use this device while charging it, which is a plus. Now, looking at the charging time, right out of the box, this battery came depleted. So I had to charge it before I tested it, and in charging it, it took exactly 5 hours to charge. So these claims are quite accurate. So I would say the claim for working time and charge time are kind of accurate. I don't know how long the battery is going to last, and they don't look easily replaceable. You have to open here to get the battery out, and that's if they are going to be replaceable. Now, I am not a huge fan of the way they made these screws, because the way this thing is, for me to open this and clean it out, I have to get like a new toolbox with a screwdriver that can penetrate this hole here and this one here to open it. So I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of that. Okay, here you have the USB charging port. That's the power button. Then you also have a clip here where you can clip the fan. Overall, it doesn't look bad. Like I said, it's well made and I like it. This cost me $15.62, and I think it's still the same price on AliExpress right now. And I'll leave a link in the description box below to the product in case you want to check it out. So I hope you guys like this review, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you can get email notifications each time I release a video. Thank you very much for sticking around. Do have a nice week ahead.